Hey guys, so let's try this again. Can't turn your phone while live. Okay. I think this is how I'm supposed to be. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna try this. This is not normally how I go live, so hey guys, sorry about that. We've had tech issues this morning to try to, I need an oil for frustration this morning. Hello everybody, welcome to you from the big 55 plus and over capital of the world. Actually, welcome to you from Orlando, Florida, and this is BOGO Day 2. Let me know where you're joining in live from, or if you're watching on the replay, stick around because we're going to be talking about some really great stuff today. Some things that you're going to want to know about, and I'm happy to try to keep you in the loop about too. So hey Buford, good to see you on here. So thank you guys for joining me. Hopefully we'll stay connected during this live video. But today I want to share with you a couple of things. I want to share with you about the BOGO for sure, and how to use those and ways that you can get them. But I also want to tell you a little bit about doTERRA's Healing Hands Foundation. You may or may not be familiar with it, so I want to share with you a little bit about it. So today only, you can buy a Cheer Touch roller bottle. It's an uplifting blend, and you get the Motivate encouraging blend for free. And I can already smell this coming out of the bottle. And I am like, I want to get this on. Okay. So let's talk about Cheer for just a minute. So Cheer is a blend of oils. So it's not a single oil. It is a blend of several different oils. It has wild orange in it, clove, anise, lemon myrtle, nutmeg, vanilla bean extract, ginger, and cinnamon. And so it's a little bit of like a, well, I like to call it sunshine in a bottle. So you're going to use your Cheer. Now this is for topical use only. But you're going to use your Cheer when you're dealing with maybe some difficult hardships that are weighing you down, and you could use a little cheer in your life. What you're going to do in that situation is you can put it behind kind of the fleshy pockets behind your ears, or you can even put it on your wrist to kind of really help encourage just releasing that heavy heart and kind of give you a little bit more of a hopeful outlook. I love praying as I'm putting on these particular oils. Especially if I'm wanting to address emotional needs, I will pray, or I will read some scripture. And the passage, the Bible verse that I love to read over my kids, especially if I'm using this with them, is "A joyful heart is good medicine." It's Proverbs 17:22, and I love that because my boys know that when we have a cheerful heart, it's really actually like medicine to our bodies. So if you have a cranky one in your house today, maybe that one that woke up on the wrong side of the bed, or like my mom used to say, and you could use some help. When one of our twins was 3 and we had just been introduced to these, he had woken up on the wrong side of the bed, and I just walked him over to these oils. These are actually 2 of 6 different blends that are in our emotional aromatherapy kind of kit, so to speak, our bundle. And so these are kind of more of the uplifting blends. And I brought him over to all 6 of them, and I let him pick out one. And he actually picked out the Cheer. And he would do not what I would have done with the oils, but still, even to this day, he's now 6, and he still uses this oil, and he likes to just put it right over his forehead like that, rub it in, and literally within a few minutes, he is no longer Mr. Cranky Pants. So you're going to use that in those situations too. You're going to use this also when the winter season has kind of gotten you feeling a little glum, and you could use a little bit of sunshine in a bottle. Yeah. Or maybe you love wearing perfumes or colognes, but you don't like the toxins associated with it. This is where you can apply this to your pulse points, or you can even apply this to like some diffuser jewelry like this. That shout out to my friend Kelly Couch who gave this to me. I love it. That way I can wear it and I can smell that throughout the day. And it's not just about the aroma, but when you're utilizing plants that are pure and you're breathing those in, they enter the limbic system of your brain and create chemical changes and can actually change the mood that you're in for the day. So I love doing that. Now, comment below, what is the way that you see yourself using cheer the most? So let's talk about the freebie today, motivate. I'm telling you, I don't need this today, but there are a lot of days that I could use it. So this is an encouraging blend. Now this one is very different from the cheer. It is uplifting, but in a totally different way. Think of this oil. Well, here's what's in it. There's peppermint, clementine, coriander, basil, melissa, rosemary leaf, yuzu peel, and vanilla bean absolute. And so think of this as, it's more of a fresh and a clean and a minty aroma. And you're going to use this topically as well. This one's for topical use as well. And you're going to use this when you need that extra jumpstart for the day. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. I think my connection's poor. So you're going to apply this to the bottoms of your feet, or when you need that extra belief that you can do it. Maybe you need some courage before a big